Namaskaram foodies, welcome back to another episode of Simply Cooked by Prem. In my beautiful state of Kerala, it's almost a tradition to have fish in our daily meals. Having lived in this coastal state, I have many fond memories of visiting the busy harbors with my dad to buy fresh fish from local fishermen. My mom would cook a varieties of fish for us almost every other day with so much love. Today's recipe takes me back to those wonderful days. Today, let me show you how to make a flavorful, crispy, and juicy fish fry, along with tips to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Here's what you will need: tuna or any fresh fish of your choice, lemon, coconut oil or any oil you prefer, asafetida, shallots, a small piece of ginger, garlic cloves, curry leaves, black pepper, chili powder, coriander powder, fennel seeds, turmeric powder, mustard seeds. Let's make the marinade. In a mixer or blender, add the below ingredients: 5 shallots, 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of mustard seed, few sprinkles of asafetida, juice of half a lemon, and salt to taste. Add a bit of water, just enough to grind into a paste. Grind everything into a smooth paste. This marinade is the heart of your fish fry, packed with all the bold and spicy flavors of Kerala. Now it's time to marinate the fish. Rub the marinade generously onto each piece of fish. Add a fresh curry leaves and drizzle of coconut oil for extra flavor. Let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Marination time is super important because it allows the fish to soak in all the spices. It's time to fry the fish. I'm using coconut oil because it adds that authentic Kerala touch, but feel free to use any oil you like. Heat the oil on medium flame, and once it is hot, add a few curry leaves to the pan. This prevents the fish fry from sticking to the pan and adds a lovely aroma. Gently place the fish in the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Close the lid to retain the heat and flavors. After 2 to 3 minutes, carefully flip the fish to cook the other side. Toss it occasionally to ensure it's evenly cooked and get that perfect golden brown crust. And there you have it, a beautifully fried Kerala style fish. It's crispy on the outside and juicy inside. It's perfect. And the aroma is as amazing as it looks. Garnish this with few curry leaves and serve it hot. This pairs perfectly with steamed rice and rasam, or maybe a side of tangy fish curry. But honestly, it's equally delicious on its own. I hope you are as excited to try this as I was to make it for you. Let me know in the comment how it turns out. I'm always happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for cooking with me today. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.